Morning to all. Let us begin a new chapter, constitutional design. So let us begin what is constitution. So the particular word meaning itself shows that there is a basic rules that the citizen and the government have to follow. So it is a framework that the citizen and the rulers or the government has to follow in a country that can be set the constitution. As a supreme law of the country, the constitution determines the right of the citizens, the powers of the government, and how the government should function. We discuss about the democratic constitution in South Africa. South African leader Nelson Mandela of South African National Congress fought long battle against apartheid. Apartheid means a racial discrimination between the white and blacks. It was very crucial in South Africa till 1994 when it was defeated. For this, during the period of South African freedom struggle, Nelson Mandela was imprisoned for 28 years. But in 1994, April 26, South Africa became republic. So the black leaders appealed to the fellow blacks to forgive the whites for their atrocities that they committed during their governance in South Africa. So they do it for to make a constitution with the help of each and every person in a country. So long negotiations between the white and black agreed to a compromise. White agreed with one person, one vote system, and they also agreed the majority rule. The only way to build and maintain trust is to write down some rules that everyone would abide by. So, the constitution of a country is a set of written rules that are accepted by all people living together in a country. Now, we discuss what the constitution provides. The constitution generates a degree of trust and coordination. Like India, there are different kinds of people living in different parts of the country, so they need a coordination and they have to get a trust with the country. So it is through the constitution that it generates in the minds of the people the degree of trust and coordination. And it also specifies how the government will be constituted and who will have power to take which decisions. So the mode of operation of government and their activity also is described in constitution. It lays down limit on the power of the government and right of the citizens. So the right of the citizen also is mentioned here, and the limits of the power of the government also is also mentioned. It expresses aspirations of the people to create a good society